Here we have a brief audio demonstration to prove that the speaker works perfectly. And here's the serial number of the speaker. Okay, the grill's there in perfect condition. All the lugs on there. Speaker itself is absolutely perfect. We've got an old NAD amp running mono, an old CD player with some Eddie Reader, and a spectrum analyzer running on the iPad, so you can visualize that it's working perfectly. So let's go.
Wrapped up against the winter chill. Somewhere in the
Should be able to see the drivers bouncing a bit.
you lie asleep in your bed, and I wonder if ever, just briefly, do I creep in your dreams now and then? Where are you now?
As you can see, all working as it should and sounding absolutely epic. Thank you.